welcome Dr. Atul Shah. Welcome Mr. Mayank K. Shidsagar. Welcome Mrs. Anuradha Binji. Welcome Dr. Sujit Chatterjee. Welcome Dr. Iqbal B. Bagasrawala. Welcome Dr. George Thomas.
Talking about the epidemic in North, about the patients creating problem at the last or paying fees, taking up any issue and then creating an reason for not paying the fees or the hospital bill. Do you have any solutions? Because it is now Mumbai, Navi Mumbai or all these places are a cosmopolitan, so North Indians are coming here also. They are creating problems. Can you suggest any solution for this?
All of us go to multiplexes. Do we ever tell that window people that we'll see the movie and then we'll pay? All of us buy railway tickets, airplane tickets. Do we tell them that we'll pay after we finish our journey? Even in court of law, when you go, you pay the court fees upfront. So that's the solution.
That is what Dr. Atul Shah is suggesting. Take fees in advance. In fact, that's the practical way out also. The problem here again is, if a patient does not give you fees, you can't hold that patient. You have to discharge him. If he is dead, you have to hand over the dead body. And the legal remedy that you have is to go before a civil court, file a case for recovery, which will take years to come. And after that, execution will again take years. So it's a exercise worth not contemplating at all.
Sir, my observation has been this problem generally arises when things get complicated. Where a person has been admitted for a surgery and gets sepsis, and then he overstays 10 days, 5 days in the ICU, and his bills go haywire, that's the norm. Then he is more fault finding than taking treatment. So we need to make sure that that happens less and less. And despite our best efforts, I think 5% of our cases will be faced this problem forever. And our sensitization should be focused especially for those where things have not gone right, and suddenly the estimated care cost that we had projected goes haywire.
Sir, just to end, if this is the end, I quote William Osler. William Osler is the father of modern medicine, and he was born in 1849, died in 1990. He says, one of the first duties of the physician is to educate the masses not to take medicine. That's a quote which I keep on my phone. And whenever I meet my colleagues, and this is what I tell them, that William Osler said this. He is the father of modern medicine.
Welcome to the 8th Annual Medico-Legal Review 2016. I would request Professor Dr. Sushanto Kumar Bandyopadhyay, Chief Guest of the 8th Annual Medico-Legal Review, to please come on the dais.
Annual Medico-Legal Program 2016. Welcome Mr. Samuel Ibrahim, our guest of honor for 8th Annual Medico-Legal Review. Please welcome Dr. Mahesh. Mahesh is our guest of honor for the 8th Annual Medico-Legal Program.
our chief guest, Dr. Nagendra Swami, to come on the dais.
MA Joint Secretary. See, I would like to know why should you punish the hospital or a nursing home when the consultant make a mistake? On what basis they have decided that?
Legal principle known as vicarious liability. For all the sins done by a servant, the master is responsible. So that's it. A sound legal principle. Maybe today you may not like it. See, otherwise what would happen is all risky jobs will be left to the servants. Will not be able to compensate for the wrong that is done. So we can have a lengthy discussion on this. I'll satisfy you that it's a very sound legal principle.